Hi, this is Mr. Hood, and we're going to add mixed numbers that do not have common denominators. Before we do that, let's estimate what the sum is going to be. 1 and 9/10 is roughly about 2, and 4 and a fourth is roughly about 4. So about 2 plus about 4 ought to give us a sum of about 6. We'll check in with that at the end. Now, on to the mixed numbers. Since we don't have common denominators, let's find some common denominators. And what that means is we're going to list the multiples of both 10 and 4, and we're going to find the first number that shows up in both of those lists. And as it turns out, 20 is the smallest number that shows up in both of those lists of multiples, so 20 is going to be our new denominator. Now, to figure out what our new numerators are going to be, we have to figure out what we multiplied our old denominator by to get to our new denominator. So since it was 10 times 2 that got us to our new denominator of 20, we're going to multiply the numerator by the same thing, giving us a new denominator of 18. Now, in the bottom mixed number, we multiplied 4 by 5 to get to the new denominator of 20. So we're going to multiply the numerator by the same thing and get 5. Okay, now that we have common denominators, we know the denominator of our answer is also going to be 20. And now we're just going to add the numerators. And as it turns out, 18 plus 5 gives us 23. Okay, let's change this thing to a mixed number. So that involves asking ourselves, how many times does 20 go into 23? Well, it goes in once with a remainder of 3, leaving our 23/20 equaling 1 and 3/20. So now, last step. Take our fractional sum, the 1 and 3/20, and add it to the sum of our whole numbers, 1 plus 4 is 5, and our final sum for the entire thing is 6 and 3/20. So, how's that compare to our estimate? Pretty good.